Hello everyone, and welcome to our special sleep lecture. Have you ever felt like your mind just won't shut off at night? You're lying in bed, staring at the ceiling, and your thoughts are racing, jumping from one worry to the next, replaying conversations, or planning tomorrow's to-do list. It's like your spirit is wandering, unable to find its way to the peaceful shores of sleep. This feeling, this restless mind, is something so many of us experience. And tonight, we're going to explore it together. This isn't just about the frustration of not being able to fall asleep. It's about understanding why our minds become so active when our bodies are begging for rest. Think of your mind as a traveler. During the day, it's on a mission, focused on tasks, navigating challenges, and processing a constant stream of information. But when night comes, and the external world quiets down, the traveler doesn't always know how to stop. It keeps wandering through the landscapes of our inner world, our memories, our anxieties, our hopes. This wandering spirit is often a sign that we haven't given our minds the chance to properly unpack from the day's journey. So what can we do? The first step is to acknowledge this wandering, not fight it. Fighting your thoughts only gives them more energy. Imagine trying to hold a beach ball underwater. The more you push, the more forcefully it pops back up. It's the same with our thoughts. Instead of fighting, let's try observing. Acknowledge the thought, label it. That's a worry about work, or there's that memory from last week, and then gently let it float by, like a cloud in the sky. This practice of gentle observation is a cornerstone of mindfulness, and it's incredibly powerful for calming a restless mind. Let's create a landing strip for our wandering spirit. This is your wind-down routine. A sacred period of time before bed, dedicated to signaling to your body and mind that the day is over and it's time to prepare for rest. This isn't about adding more tasks to your day, it's about subtraction. For at least an hour before you plan to sleep, put away the screens. The blue light from our phones, tablets, and computers is a well-known sleep disruptor, tricking our brains into thinking it's still daytime. Instead of scrolling, what if you embrace the quiet? Consider what truly soothes your soul. Maybe it's listening to calm ambient music. Perhaps it's the simple act of brewing a cup of caffeine-free herbal tea, like chamomile or lavender, and savoring the warmth and aroma. The ritual itself is a form of meditation. Reading a physical book, one that isn't too stimulating, can be a wonderful escape. It transports your mind to another world without the harsh glare of a screen. The key is to find activities that are calming and repetitive, signaling to your brain that it can switch off its problem-solving mode. Another powerful tool is journaling. This is your personal space to offload all those wandering thoughts. Keep a notebook by your bed and spend 10 minutes just writing down whatever comes to mind. This is often called a brain dump. Don't worry about grammar, spelling, or making sense. Just get it all out on the page. Write down your worries, your to-do list for the next day, any lingering frustrations. By externalizing these thoughts, you're essentially telling your brain, I've got this covered. It's written down. You don't need to keep reminding me. This act can create a profound sense of mental clearance, allowing your spirit to finally settle. Now let's talk about the physical environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep and only sleep. This means creating a space that is cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in blackout curtains to block out intrusive light. If you live in a noisy area, consider using a white noise machine or earplugs. The temperature of your room also plays a crucial role. A cooler room temperature helps to signal to your body that it's time to sleep. By optimizing your environment, you're removing external disruptions and giving your wandering spirit fewer reasons to stay awake. Let's not forget the connection between our body and mind. Gentle physical movement can be a wonderful way to release tension. I'm not talking about a vigorous workout right before bed, which can be stimulating. Instead, think about gentle stretching or some simple restorative yoga poses. Poses like child's pose or legs up the wall are fantastic for calming the nervous system. As you stretch, focus on your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose, feeling your belly expand, and exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling the tension melt away with each breath. This physical release can lead to a powerful mental release. Breathing is the anchor for our wandering spirit. When you find yourself lost in thought, your breath is always there, a constant, steady rhythm you can return to. A simple and effective technique is the 4-7-8 breath. It's easy to remember. Inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Then exhale completely through your mouth, making a whooshing sound, for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times. This breathing pattern acts as a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system, helping to slow your heart rate and quiet your mind. It's a direct line of communication to your body's relaxation response. Gratitude can also be a guiding light for a wandering spirit. When our minds are stuck in a loop of worry and anxiety, it's often because we're focused on what's lacking or what could go wrong. Shifting your focus to gratitude can completely change your mental state. As you lie in bed, think of 3 specific things from your day that you are grateful for. They don't have to be big things. It could be the warmth of the sun on your face, a kind word from a friend, or the taste of your favorite meal. Really feel the gratitude in your body. This simple practice can reframe your mindset from one of lack to one of abundance, creating a peaceful foundation for sleep. Ultimately, learning to quiet a wandering spirit is a practice, not a quick fix. There will be nights when it's harder than others, and that's okay. The goal isn't to have a perfectly empty mind. That's nearly impossible. The goal is to cultivate a kinder, more compassionate relationship with your thoughts. It's about learning to be the calm, steady lighthouse that guides your wandering spirit home to the peaceful harbor of sleep, night after night. Be patient with yourself. This is a journey of self-discovery and self-care. Thank you so much for joining me for this sleep lecture. I hope these ideas give you some gentle tools to work with. Remember, you deserve restful, restorative sleep. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more content on finding peace and well-being. Sweet dreams, and may your spirit find its rest.